Hello, my name is Kirti Goel, and the topic of my presentation is selection of a broker. So, we already know that we need a stockbroker in order to enter into our securities market or stock market because they help us buy and sell securities, and that through stock exchange only. They help us create a demat account, that is dematerialization account, where we held the securities in dematerialized form. So, stockbroker hence plays a very important role of an intermediary between the traders and the stock market. They charge for the act, and their rates also vary. That is, the rates vary from broker to broker. And in India, they are generally registered with SEBI, that is Securities Exchange Board of India, and they hold the membership of stock exchange like BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, NSE, National Stock Exchange, MSE, MCX, NCDEX, etc. And one can easily buy or sell stocks that are listed on such stock exchange with the help of a licensed share broker. There are generally two types of brokers. One type is a full service broker, and another type is a discount broker. So, as depicted by the name, the full service broker is a broker which, besides executing our orders, that is, giving us recommendations on what to buy, what to sell, helping us execute it, it also engages in market research and recommends us like what kind of investment should we make. Okay, so these are unlike discount brokers who just fulfill their purpose of telling us which stocks to buy and sell. And the discount brokers, they don't even place orders for us. The trade has to be done by the us only, by the client only, using desktop or mobile applications, because now it is all done online only. So we don't need to go to the stock market, wait there for hours. So we just need to be online active client on the internet, and can execute our trade there only. So, since a full service broker provide us more services than a discount broker, hence he charges us greater brokerage, and it just depends upon our requirements as to which one to select. So, if we are tech savvy and we trade frequently, we know how to trade, then we must go for the discount broker. But unlike this situation where we are not aware, where we are new to the market and we need somebody to place order for us, then we'll say a full service broker is a better suggestion. And a full service broker is kind of a traditional broker because they have been providing us such services since the past, and the discount broker is a new kind of broker, and they are just concerned with the telling us which securities to buy and sell only. In the present slide, we can see the charges that a client should be aware of. What should be charged by a broker from a client. So we can see there is the GST, that is goods and services tax, 18% on brokerage. Then there's securities transaction tax, there's the stamp duty, and there is the SEBI turnover tax. So a person, a client, should be aware of these charges because because otherwise the broker may take wrong advantage of him. Coming to the most important question, that how should we select the right broker? So selection of a right broker makes a huge difference in the trading outcome. That is ease of trading, maintenance of proper contact notes, a good trading software. All of these are dependent upon the actions of a broker. So before selecting a broker, we should keep the following things in our mind. These are the type of service of the broker, the frequency of trading, the online or offline trading platform, and the advisory services. As we discussed in some of the slides before, that the brokers are of two types: full service broker and a discount broker. So, how does our decision depend upon the choice of the broker? So, we just discussed that if the client is tech savvy, if he has previous experience about trading on stock exchange, then he must go for a discount broker. But otherwise, if you are not tech savvy and you don't know how to trade, then you should go for a full service retail broker, right? So therefore this should be kept in mind, and there are different charges for a discount broker and a full service brokers. It also depends on that to some extent. Okay, so if we are a frequent trader, in short, then we must go for a discount broker. Now, the frequency of trading, that is for how much time do you invest, and how many times a year, a month, or even in weeks do you invest. So, if you are a very frequent trader, that is, you invest multiple times in a week or in a month, even, then you should go for a discount broker, because then the brokerage cost in case of a full service broker would be very high, and it would not be very a good option. So, in case you are not a frequent trader, that is, you would in trade like once in a month, or in year, or even in multiple years, then you should go for a full service broker, because he's going to provide you a lot of more services than you just get in case of a discount broker. So that is why the more frequent your transactions are, you should go for a discount broker then. So the next factor that would affect the choice of a broker is online or offline trading platform. So there are some brokers who would provide you with online trading platform, and some brokers would provide you with some offline facilities. So if you have a lot of time, you can do that is from homes only. You would like to stay connected with the stock market, then you can go for a broker who would provide some online trading platforms to you. But in case you are a very busy person and you don't have time to use a computer, but you are comfortable with call and trade, then you can go for such brokers who will provide you some offline facilities. Coming to the advisory services, if you need to choose whether you require a financial advisor to select which stocks to buy or sell. So if you want such a financial advisor, then you should go for full service broker at once. But if you don't want such a financial advisor, and you think you are financially literate and you have the skills and knowledge to make your own decision, then you must go for a discount broker instead. But full service brokers are usually people who will maintain a good relationship with you, who will call you, provide you with the investment ideas, who create presentations for you, especially for you, and they are quite a good option. But only a disadvantage to them is that they have a high brokerage charge. So it's completely your decision, like if you want more of the advisory services, if you are more dependent upon the service of the broker, then you should go for a full service broker. So we can look at the facilities that are provided by a full service broker. So these are listed in the slide. I am going to mention a few which are quite important ones. These are initial public offer investments, and investments in mutual funds, annuities, insurance, and the loans against the gold, loans against the stocks, research reports based on the fundamentals and technical aspects, wealth management, and private equity investing, investment advisory, opening a demat account, call and trade, then multiple products to cater to different market segments. So these are just the kind of services that are provided by the full service brokerage. And in the next slide, we will look at what tips should we follow before selecting a right broker, right stock broker in India. So, what kind of personal skills we should look in a stockbroker before going into the stock market? So, these are experience, knowledge, customer support, credibility, registration, references, and cost. So, coming to the experience, a good stockbroker is one who has a good broking and has a good turnover, clocking hundred of crores with sound risk management practices in place. Then knowledge, they should have a good knowledge of the stock market. They should be able to customize solutions for individual as per their wishes. Customer support, the customer service department of a good broker creates a positive experience for the customer each time. They should build a good relationship with the customer. They should contact them as soon as they get some good as soon as they receive some news related to the investments they are interested in or the services they are interested in. And the customer may not always get the result he is looking for, but a good customer service can make the customer feel good, like he has got a fair deal. Then credibility. Oh, if a stockbroker is not credible, if he is the person whom the client can't trust, then it's no good stockbroker. So therefore, he should display that integrity, honesty, and strong core values. References that the stockbroker should be backed by list of references. That is, he should have a good experience, good background, and the people who he's referring to, that the clients may consider before selecting him as a stockbroker. So they should be genuine also, and he should be diligent. Registration, the stockbroker must be registered with the SEBI and stock exchanges like National Stock Exchange and the Bombay Stock Exchange, and he should display the registration numbers on the website also. The cost. Now, cost is a very important factor. That is, he should not charge a very high, but he should charge very acceptable brokerage rate. And there may be some hidden charges that may not be understandable at first, but a good stockbroker must make his client comfortable and means justify his charges according to the services he is offering. So this was pretty much all about selecting a right broker in India, starting from selection of a broker and the types of broker and what factors go into our decision of selecting the right broker, and what personal qualities we should look for in a stockbroker. Our broker are discussed here. So thank you for your time.